Last time, we explored the power of setting goals for the new year, writing them down, reading them daily, and reprogramming your subconscious mind to align with your dreams. Today, we take the next step, translating those goals into a concrete action plan. Because, as the saying goes, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Setting a goal is the first step, but the real magic happens when you take consistent, deliberate action. Imagine this: you have a clear destination in mind, and your subconscious mind is programmed to guide you there. But if you don't start the journey, if you don't take the steps to move forward, you will never reach it. Action bridges the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. It's the fuel that propels your dreams into reality. And the best part? You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to start. When faced with a big goal, it can be overwhelming. That's where a step-by-step plan comes in. Breaking your goals into smaller, manageable actions not only makes them achievable, but also builds your confidence as you progress. Let's say your goal is to launch a business in 2025. Instead of focusing on the enormity of starting a business, break it into actionable steps. Research your target market, develop a business plan, register your business name, create a marketing strategy, launch your first product or service. Every small action you take moves you closer to the finish line. Remember, success is the sum of small efforts repeated daily. To turn your goals into action, they need to be smart, specific, clearly define what you want to achieve, measurable, ensure you track your progress. You have to make them achievable. You can set realistic goals within your reach. Make them relevant, align your goals with your bigger vision. They also have to be time bound. Set a deadline to create urgency. For example, instead of saying, I want to save money, say, I will save $10,000 by the December of 2025 by setting aside $834 each month. This clarity helps you focus your energy and measure your success. Your daily habits are the building blocks of your success. Goals set the direction, but habits determine the pace. Identify the habits that align with your goals and commit to practicing them consistently. For instance, if your goal is to improve your health, adopt habits like meal prepping, exercising regularly, and drinking more water. These small, consistent actions compound over time to create a lasting change. Here's a simple rule: focus on progress, not perfection. Missing a day doesn't mean you failed. Get back on track and keep moving forward. To stay motivated and ensure you're on the right path, track your progress regularly. Use tools like journals, apps, or spreadsheets to monitor your achievements and identify areas for improvement. Ask yourself, what actions did I take today to move closer to my goal? What challenges did I face and how can I overcome them? What is my next step? Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Recognizing your progress reinforces positive behavior and keeps you inspired to continue. Let's be honest, taking action isn't always easy. There will be days when fear, doubt, or procrastination try to hold you back. But remember, growth happens outside of your comfort zone. Every time you push through resistance, you build mental strength and resilience. Here are some strategies to overcome resistance. You want to start small. When a task feels daunting, commit to just 5 minutes. Often, starting is the hardest part, and momentum will carry you forward. Visualize success. Remind yourself why you started. Imagine how achieving your goal will feel and let that vision inspire you. Share your goals with a trusted friend, mentor, or coach who can encourage you and hold you accountable. You want to always focus on the why. Connect every action to your bigger purpose. When you understand the why behind your goals, the how becomes easier. Every action you take not only transforms your life, but also inspires those around you. When your family, friends, and colleagues see you striving for your goals, they'll feel empowered to do the same. Your courage to act creates a ripple effect, spreading positivity and possibility. Today, I challenge you to take your written goals and create a step by step action plan for each one. Choose one you can take immediately, no matter how small, and commit to doing it within the next 24 hours. For the next week, dedicate 15 minutes each day to reviewing your plan, tracking your progress, and adjusting as needed. Remember, consistency beats intensity every time. As we step into this new year, remember the distance between your dreams and reality is bridged by action. You have the power to create the life you desire, one step at a time. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start where you are. Use what you have and do what you can. This is your year. Take action, stay committed, and watch your goals come to life. Thank you.